let's honor. Welcome our MP, our role model.
My MP, do you know I love you?
I admire you.
I cherish you.
Accuracy in handi.
When I grow up, I want to be
Honorable Abdi Ali Sheqow.
You are such a unique man.
Your gesture is awesome.
Your walking style amazes me.
Your voice articulation impresses me.
When I grow
Up, I want to be Honorable Abdi Ali Sheqow.
a stylish man full of vigor,
Development,
Geraaro,
fatherly love,
Tele,
leadership skill, Nazo. When I grow up, I want to be Honorable Abdi Ali Sheqow.
my MP.
The best girls' school in Geraaro constituency has several challenges.
The school has no bus.
The school laboratory is older than us.
My humble request is to build a big, modern
Laboratory for your daughters. We shall be happy. When I grow up, I want to be Honorable Abdi Ali Sheqow. Having uplifted the school mean from a mean of
5.5
to a mean of,
6.2
and now we are targeting a mean of
7.0.
and become Ijara 1.
I thought you should know that.
When I grow up, I want to be triple A, Honorable Abdi Ali Sheqow. Thank you. Waxaanahay ardaydii ilmihii iskuulkii Hulugho Girls Secondary gabdho wada asluub badan macallimii waa garashada loo ooyay baanahay iskuullada adeecow ilmahow dadaalow baasri ka bixiyow duqaydow adeegow waa lagu duceeye kunjaariye ka badan baan kuu baahanahayo madaxweyneheenow noo soo dhaweeya cabdiyey dalkan waa dalkaadi dadka waa dadkaadi waa lagu dadaale waa lagu dulbaantumi waa lagu dabaaldegay adiguna sidoo kale waa inaad daryeeshaa diyaaradan duulayso dadweynaha ka buuxo dalkeennana ujeedo waa dabaaldegayne waa inaan dadaalno maanta waa maalin weynow martideeni maato madaxdeenna sharafta leh maamuusa magaca leh dadweyneheenow waan idin salaane idinkana sidoo kale salanaga guddooma.
Leo tumekuja hapa kuwish our form 4 student free, what do you call wish them and wish them success in their exams, and I'm happy to be here. I have seen the talent of the students, and we will support them. And this is for the last 1 year we have implemented a program called Free Secondary School. And this program, one of the objectives is that we don't see a student should not be chased for school fees because of lack of money. Most of our parents, they are pastoralists. They have cows, they have goats, and we have the last 1 year there was a lot of drought in this region. All those factors, when we have considered, that is why we came up with a program called Free Secondary School. And this program was implemented very successfully for the last 1 year. No student was chased. The students performed very well. There was a proper motivation from the teachers, from the principals, and inshallah in the next 4 years, as the area MP of this region, of this constituency, we will implement inshallah. Na sisi kama watu wa Ijara tunasema tuna support serikali na tunashukuru vile administrative police, vile DC na security agents wanafanya kazi, na naomba wananchi wa Ijara haswa watu wa Hulugho tufanye kazi na security system to make sure that we have peace and order, and when there is peace, that's when we have developments. So when we have peace, peace, that's when we have proper developments. Na kama nyinyi mbunge yenu, mimi nitaenda juu na chini nilete hapa maendeleo. So wananchi nawaomba tuhudumishe amani, tufanye kazi na serikali, tufanye kazi na security, ndio angalau watu wa NGOs, other developmental organization tulete hapa. Pia nataka kuambia vijana bodabodas, vijana wa Hulugho, tunataka to launch program ya kusaidia wamama, kusaidia vijana, kununulia wao bodaboda, ndio angalau wafanye kazi. We will come up with youth programs, we will come up with saloon programs to help our women. So si watu lazima kila mtu afanye kazi. So mimi naomba wamama na vijana mujipange. Inshallah kutoka next year mambo ya shule tutaweka kando, na tunakuja na program nzuri sana ya kusaidia vijana wetu na wamama. So inshallah hiyo ndio nataka kusema.